Or maybe I remember the tag ID for some reason, had it in front of me, or I just happened to remember that. Some 907 was part of it, so I could search on that and bring that back. Oh yeah, that's right. Whole tag ID is much larger than that, but I remember 907 off of it. I could click on get to that apron quickly. Or what else can I do? If I got a couple items in front of me, I might just type them in. I can use commas to separate the different items and click on search. Scroll down and see, yep, there they are. Card 1 and card 2 are the item labels for those things, so I can quickly get to that group. So you use those fields and to find the aprons you're looking for, or search or list all for all of them. Well, and what if that's not enough? What if those aren't enough fields? Well, we've got advanced search here that we hide because you don't maybe need it every day. So you click on that checkbox and a whole nother set of fields opens up. So you can search on something in the description, if you've populated and used these sizes, or some of these other apron characteristics, manufacturer and style and stuff. So it's like I want to find the maternity apron, so I'm going to click on maternity and pick on search. Okay, do I have any of those? Yep, I sure do. So there's a maternity apron. Maybe I want to reassign that to somebody for the next, say, 9 months. That's a possibility. That's another way to get there. And then let's look at the rest of these apron characteristics. There you go, lead condition, inspection status. So here's a way to find ones that are all passed or failed or not inspected or required. So that's another part of maybe data cleanup. Here's a way to search for the inspection required field. Make sure those aprons are properly documented. Maybe if you were thinking, wow, I did an inspection last month somewhere between the 2nd of July and it was early August. Somewhere in there I did an inspection. I want to find that apron. Search on that range. Come down here. Oh, I did a whole bunch of them. So I just find my apron that way. So again, you're using these advanced fields to quickly find the apron that you're interested in. If you actually had it in front of you and the scanner, you could simply scan it and get to it that way. So these are search strategies. How do you find the aprons you're interested in and get there as quickly as possible? So let's reset this one more time. And let's take away the advanced options again. And this time we'll search, bring all of the aprons back. And maybe we're going to create a group list. So maybe I want them all except for things that haven't passed inspection. So I'll sort on inspection status, couple of fails, couple required. So I just want this group to work on. So I'm going to click on the global checkbox. This turns all the checkboxes on or off. And then I'm just going to simply uncheck these as I go. Okay, now I have everything that's not a pass on the inspection status, and now I'm going to add that to the group. So that's a quick way to search for a set of aprons that are not pass for the inspection status and get them into the group so I could do group operations. So you come over here and see, there they are. I'm all ready to operate on them. Either I'm going to do group inspections or an update of some kind, maybe put a note in there. So again, that's a search strategy that gets me there quickly, building a list of aprons to act on. So that's it. That's the search strategies. See you next video.